Hello everybody! Today we're going to take a close-up look at the Christys Narrow Brim Trilby Panama. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is a Christys Narrow Brim Trilby Panama in navy, and just taking an overall look at the hat before we take a much closer in look at its details. So there is a hang tag that's attached to it. Just taking a look at the details that's on the hang tag. And on the reverse side of the hang tag, there is some information about Christys London, as well as some information about their hats. Okay, and taking a much closer in look at this straw hat, so you can see the overall navy colour or rich blue colour of this straw hat, and it does have an Italian ribbon in navy as well, and it does have that satin sheen to it, as you can see how the light reflects and plays along its surface. And on the top edge of that ribbon is a white or silvery white edge to that overall blue or navy color. And of course, taking a look at the narrow brim of the hat, giving you a look at those details on the brim of the hat. So you can see the weave details or plait details of this Panama or straw hat, and the edge of the hat as well. So taking a look directly from the front and moving towards the top or crown of the hat. So you can see those details right throughout, as well as the narrow brim of the hat top down. So the back of the hat, giving you a look at those details, looking towards the front. So giving you a further out look for perspective. And of course, a more balanced view right throughout, with a much closer in look at this hat. Now taking a look at the underside of the hat, and of course the underbrim of the hat. So giving you a look at those details, and at the back as well, and just the overall construction of this Christys Narrow Brim Trilby Panama in navy. So taking a look at the back underside of the hat on the sweatband or just above the sweatband. You can see a gold ribbon as well as the Christys label. So doing my best there to show you the details and the sizing. So 60 centimeters. And of course some other information on the other label and on the reverse side as well, what appears to be the care instructions. So doing my best here to show you the details without bumping into the camcorder, while also trying to achieve focus and lighting. And so on this side of the hat, let's just get orientated once again. So on the right hand side of the hat, you can see there is the Christys branding in gold on the sweatband with the Made in England debossing as well. And there is a white sticker on the inside right there. Hand woven in Ecuador. Okay, and on the opposite side of the sweatband, hand printed on the sweatband, says genuine Panama, made in England, woven in Ecuador. Okay, so those are the details right there on this satin sweatband. So just giving you a look at that material of the sweatband and a reverse side of it as well. So right there, an overall look. At this Christys narrow brim Trilby Panama in navy. So that's the Christys narrow brim Trilby Panama in navy. Thanks for watching and happy wearing!